Hi friends, welcome to this video, and in this video I'll be talking about how to divide or find square roots using division method of decimal numbers. So in the previous video I was talking about how to find square roots of whole numbers, normal numbers, using the division method. In today's video we'll be dealing with decimal numbers. So let's take a number 5655.04. Now we need to find the square root of this decimal number using the long division method. Let's follow the same steps which we did for whole numbers. Let's write it down. 655.04. Let's make pairs. But when you're making pairs in or towards the right side, which means towards the right side of the decimal, you need to make pairs from your ones place as I explained in the previous video. Whereas when you're making to the left of decimals, you need to make it from your ones place, but when you're making it towards your right or towards the decimals right, you need to make pairs from its 10th place, which means you need to make pairs opposite to 5655 or to the numbers towards left. So you need to make pairs towards this direction. So now after making pairs, follow the same steps. Find a number which would closely or which is uh, square is close but not equal to the first pair. So I'm gonna take 7. 7 sevens are 49 and 56 minus 49 gives me 7. So now I'm gonna take down the next pair 5 and 5. So now I'm gonna add 7 and 7 to the quotient basically, which is gonna give me 14. I'm gonna leave a space for a number which would closely or equally divide 725. Oops, sorry for that scribble over there. So which would equally or closely divide 755. In this case we should find a number which can closely go in 755 because we have 0.04 as the next decimal. It doesn't end with 55. In that case we need to find an equal number, whereas in this case we need to find a number close to it. So the best number is 145 in this case. So 145 times 5 gives you 725, which is 725, and I'm gonna write 5 as the quotient. And if you subtract these, you get 5 minus 5 0, 5 minus 2 3. Now I need to put a point up in the quotient because I'm crossing this decimal point. After that I can bring down the next pair without the decimals, and now I need to follow the same step, which means I need to add up. That's a point, that's not a 0. I need to add up the digit or the latest quotient to this number. So 145 plus 5 gives me 150. I'm going to leave a vacant space for the next number. So I need to put a number which exactly divides 3004, as this is the last remainder which I got right now. So I found 150. Let's check with a number which would exactly divide this one. So 150. So 1502 is the best number. If you multiply 1502 by 2, you get 3004. So I'm going to write 2 after the decimal point. I'm going to subtract it. Sorry for the scribbly handwriting. So now I've got my current quotient, which is 75.2. This is the square root of 5655.04. So this is the method for dividing a decimal numbers using the long division method. So we have got 75.2 as the square root of 5655.04. Okay, stay tuned for more videos. Bye.